Hi community, this is my new app, Health Forms. This is an app to collect data using Google Forms and generate this collected data into FHIR JSON files to save the G-form collected data into FHIR repositories. So to use this app, you can access OpenExchange InterSystems.com package Health G-forms. Okay, Health G-forms here. You select GitHub, clone the project and use into your IDE. Okay, so after running the Docker container for this app, you see some APIs. These APIs are available as a collection that you can import. The collection is here. Okay, Postman collection JSON. You import and use here. So the first API is one post credentials. You need a Google Clouds service credential with access to Google Drive API and Google Forms API, because the Google Forms are used to collect data, and to use Google Forms programmatically you need service accounts. In this file, steps to run Health G-forms PDF, you find all steps to create your Google Cloud account, create your Google Cloud project that you required to register your app that will consume the Google Cloud API. You need to register here and create a Google Cloud Service account. When you create a Google Service account, the credentials file are available to download, and you need this file to use the API. So I saved my credentials here, credentials JSON, and use it. Okay, so I need post the credentials. Okay, credentials JSON. Okay, new file from machine, credentials JSON, and send. Okay, credentials saved. My Google Cloud account service accounts are available to use. So now I need to a Google form to collecting data, any Google form. So you can create visually the form and get the JSON file, or you can specify in a JSON file your form. So to specify a JSON form, you can use JSON file with create items. nodes into the JSON. So I use some items, given name, with a question required is a text question, family name, gender, birth date, phone, and so on. Okay, so I will upload this form, Google Forms definition. So I go to and new file from machine, form form patient JSON. Here, Sandy, form definition, save it. Okay, now I will create the form into Google Cloud with this file definition. Okay, so I posted the form to my Docker container, and now I use this definition to create the form in Google Cloud. Okay, and the form patients, because the form title, new patients, and in the post form definition, the name was form patient. So to create the form into Google Cloud, the same name, form patients, with the form title and new patients, form title new patients, and the name of the form file, form patients. I will send and wait a moment. So my form created in Google Cloud with this form ID is very important. Take a note of this form ID, because we will be used in the next steps. Okay, so I will copy this form ID. Now I will go to the Google Forms. So I will go to Google Forms. I enter into Google Forms. I will go to any form here just to open a form, so because I will paste my form ID here to open my new form created later. So I will enter, okay, new patients, the form title, and all fields that I created in form definition JSON are here: given name, family name, gender, birth date, and phone. Okay, so this is my form created using a JSON file and our API. Now I will go to the copy link here, copy, open in a new tab, because I will fill this form to text. Okay, given name Yuri, family name Gomes, gender male, birth date, and phone. Send the form. Okay, my response registered. So I will access this response here. I have the form ID here. I will copy. Now I will get the form response in the format of a FHIR template that I created using Mako library. Is a Python library for generate content using a template. So if you go to my project, you can see here templates. Okay. Templates folder. Let me see. No. How can I see? Form JSON. No. Templates folder. I created a template here to generate a FHIR JSON to create a patient. You can see this JSON format is using the FHIR specification. Resource type patient. I will create a resource of type patient with the name of the patient, given name, family name. You can see that I used here variables that will at runtime change it by values from the Google form and generates a JSON to send to form FHIR Server. Okay, so now I will execute this. So my form ID is it, and template path create patients, template path create patients. This I will use this template, and I will use this Google form. Okay, so I will send. Okay, you can see that the variables are replaced by the values from the Google form. Okay, and now we have a JSON FHIR content to send to the server. I will copy this content, and now I want to save this patient in my FHIR server. So I will create this new patient here. Take attention to this form. Okay. This IRIS instance has a FHIR server enabled. So this FHIR server is FHIR R4, and I will save a patient. So /patient here with the contents that I generated in the last step, and I will send it. Sends. Okay, created, and now I want to find this new patient in my FHIR server inside IRIS. So patient's name equals Yuri. I will send, and now I see 2 records because I used it before this API, and I have 2 Yuris, and the last Yuri created with this phone 000 in file of the telecom contact. Okay, so with my app we'll be able to use Google Forms to collect data. We will be able to create valid FHIR resources using JSON with the data from Google Forms, and send to your FHIR server. Is a good news, because sometimes you need efficient and easy form to collect data about medications, about interviews, virtual interviews with your patients. So you can use Google Forms to do it, and save this information inside your FHIR server. Okay, so enjoy my app, and thank you.